Mom, I know you can hear me. What am I going to do? Where am I going?
Why did you fetch 1 jerrycan of water?
I was tired.
Tired? How dare you talk to me like that?
Just get your belongings and leave now. This is not your home. This is my little sister's house.
Chintu, stop wiseking.
I was told you asked me to leave the house.
Yes.
I request you to give us only 1 month as you look for where to go.
A month?
You know, you're not yet officially introduced as my husband.
How can you allow someone to stay in our house for 30 days?
Everyone on this village is seriously complaining about.
Chintu sagala wejjuse. You have to know your limits.
Okimanyi bulungi twakamala okuziika nnyoko tannagwa na ku magumba, and instead you're just moving around with boys.
I have chosen my brother's daughter, Chintu Jr., to be my successor.
Not yet. I'll slap you! And I'm kidding you! Not yet.